Finally, Ashura I did. Hey guys, cover. Need everybody at the lamps. Need everybody at the lamps.
Bro, they keep shooting me. What is this?
W guys, W.
Nice work, everyone.
11 cards clapped. 11 cards clapped.
And what thing about each member have a pole?
Hey guys, there are still 3 cars roaming around the base. Okay, be ready.
Be prepared at the alarms, guys.
Yeah.
10-20.
Okay, one red car is like trying to run us.
Yeah, Ashura, that I think so that Fabry is not undercover. He's just trespassing. Just check his ID once. Check his ID once.
Let me
Only you
find
can
them
ask
first.
Ashura. Ask. Only you can ask him.
Where is the FIB guy you're talking about?
That what is it? Balaclava red pants. Red pants.
Yeah, go check.
Hey guys, come here.
Catching up, sir, with all right. No worries. I'm giving you materialization skills.
Kabir sir, hello. Kabir sir.
Oh, thank you.
Sir, can I have your ID, sir? No, my lord. It's already happened.
Bro, literally, Kabir, they don't
All right,
know
then.
like from which side gang is entering, bro. The NG is not there, bro. What the fuck?
It is FIB, don't worry.
Yeah, 10 for
Why
10
you are
for.
not securing the gates? Bro, I'm on the north gate, bro. Bro, UC, I know UC can't come, bro. I'm the first to, report this FZ. That's why I'm here. No one was at the north.
Baba, why are you using roofs? Come down.
Pronounce it wrong, sir.
And Matthews, when you came again, who took you, Matthews?
W guys, W. Everybody, GG guys, GG.
Kabir sir, I know you, sir. Hello,
Fuck
sir.
Matthews.
How do you know me, sir?
Sir, your face is visible, sir. Ashura, sir. Very bad, sir.
Sir, how, sir?
You are not wearing balaclava, sir.
Hello, Mr. Kabir,
I
sir.
was, sir. I had to rehear it.
Kabir, sir, how are you, sir? Kabir, sir, big fan, sir.
Big fan, sir. Big fan.
Big fan, big fan.
Hey, Cap. You, Hamza. Show me your ID. Show him your ID.
He's asking Matthew's ID, bro. He know me, bro.
Nobody knows you, Hamza.
Everyone knows me.
I even know that there is a guy named Hamza, this idiot. Who is Hamza? See? No one knows.
Bro, somebody is asking, bro. Matthews is only asking, not Kabir, bro.
No one knows you.
Kabir, sir, can I be your second person of the state, sir?
See, check your left leg. Who is Hamza?
See, how do you know my name, then full name? He's only saying Hamza, bro. Very bad. Got you. Kabir, got you.
I will be the second person of your state, don't worry, sir. If you want.
I will be the 10th person of the state now.
You're already the last person of the state, don't worry.
I'm 1,60,000% of the state. Kabir sir is 1,70,000% of the state.
Still, he is considered as the first person of the state right now.
I am amnesia. I forgot everything.
You're also acoustic, so
No,
autistic.
shut up.
What? Asura, he don't know the meaning of acoustic, don't worry.
Hey. Sit down, guys. Let's take picture, guys.
He already forgot how to fly. Like we don't know about driving yet. So
Sir, sits, guys. Everybody, let's take a picture.
guys, we are still in the FC. What are you doing?
Nothing will
This is what you
happen.
do.
Sir, nothing. Bro. Sit. Prabhav, don't do this.
You said I will fill all the bullets in your. Listen. I can't see this thing.
Kabir
right
sir,
now.
thank you for giving FIB bad copy, sir. For the meeting, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, they are not responding to the FC, sir. They are doing meeting.
Hamza. Professional.
GG. What happened, sir?
Why did FIV guy did not show him his ID?
I don't know, but he's FIB guy. Our general look is ID. He's FIB only.
So it does not matter like. I
Yeah,
asked
search him for
for-
PDA. Yeah, but I don't know. But you can go any there, bro. I know, bro, but he's saying he came like for a situation and like suddenly FG started.
No. What situation is going on here? Can you tell me? Hamza?
FG, listen. I said him that you cannot go literally, but he's not leaving. I don't know why. You cannot come undercover here.
Mr.
Bro, I'm
Government.
going to. I have a proper ID cam. I will go.
Okay,
I
just
also
show me
have,
the ID. Show me the ID. Mr.
My-
Government. Yeah, you.
How are you?
Very bad. Are you? She.
I'm good, sir. I'm good, sir.
Sister, Ayushi
But you don't know that person, that lady's name, bro. Very bad,
Sir,
Prabhav.
what you doing here, sir?
Hey, she
You're
is not
late.
a lady. She's my-
Can I
she
have
is-
your ID, sir?
I can't say. No.
Yes, sir.
No? Sir. I'm sorry, wrong person.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Why are you beating me, guys? What I did for with you? See,
Sorry,
again
wrong
they are
person,
beating
wrong.
again.
Ayushi, bro, show
Yeah.
me your ID, bro.
Perfect.
Ayushi, sister, show me your
Mr.
ID.
General.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
No, sir. No, sir.
Operation
You
Lead.
cannot do that.
Hey, don't shoot. These are unit. Bro, come on, duty, bro.
Bro, I can
What
see
is
his
this?
ID.
What is this behavior? What is this behavior? Go back.
Very bad. Bro, you're Bugatti very bad.
Bad manners, bad manners. Go back.
Just
Yeah.
look at other car. Just buy some car for
Is
you
this your
now.
discipline, huh? Is this your discipline?
You better
Bro,
not talk.
So, General, this is your discipline.
Oh.
Bro, just tell me the spelling of discipline, bro.
Who wants to listen? Just show me your ID first. Who wants to listen the spelling of discipline? Come in front of me, man. Yeah, show me your ID. I will
Sir,
tell you the
don't,
spelling of discipline.
Yes, sir. Show me the spelling of
No.
discipline, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Hamza Uchiha.
D,
AG.
C, D. What is the spelling, bro? I don't even know.
You don't know the spelling of discipline and you are asking from everyone.
D-I-S-C-I-P-L-A-N.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
that's the spelling.
Hey, Mr. Harry, get the fuck out of here.
Kabir, sir,
here,
arrest that
come here.
undercover, sir.
Not allowed, Hamza.
Wrong muscle.
I know, but still I will do it, bro. I
Wrong
don't
muscle,
care.
sir. Wrong muscle. Wrong muscle.
Why
Kabir sir is,
NG
you know,
has
very angry with
a
me.
lot of wrong muscles?
Kabir, sir, is very angry with me.
Wrong muscle, sir.
That's why I
NG,
can't
NG,
find
wrong
my
muscle.
You, my muscle is
My also muscle wrong. Also muscle wrong.
Him being off duty.
Wrong.
Everyone
muscle,
have,
wrong
bro.
muscle.
Everyone are doing like. Why are you worrying? Sir, it's possible.
There will be
Yes.
Do it
everything,
against.
sir.
Even Ashura also, his ID also now. So.
No, I don't have
But he
his idea.
denied.
I
He
had to be
denied.
checking
When I
him.
Oh,
when I
So,
asked
know.
Asura, wait. He said I forgot to do. And he-
Failure.
yeah.
Failure.
Have the body cam. Come with
I
us.
have my body cam.
One share.
That to you.
Make sure your body cam is valid. You know?
My story is or sir. Wait.
Yeah, you have body cam, but it's not valid. Yeah? Like you mistake something. Lawyer?
Bravo on top, bravo on top.
Rubber will be on your top.
Bravo
Wow.
on top my. Bye bye. Thank you for this one guy. Government always on top, sir. US is on top, sir. Bye. First ever guys come, sir. Every time guys only come. Nobody else come, sir. Thank you. Bye bye.
Good work, everyone. We got another
New
successful
salary
raid.
increase, guys. Salary increase. Bye bye.
Unsuccessful raid.
Bye bye.